Hey love, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Super excited because this is my favorite kind of haul. It's when I talk about ingredients. Yes. Let's get into it. First up are Madagascar gourmet vanilla beans. And I tried opening this package. I can't quite get it open. Like, they've really sealed it, but I'm gonna give you a little close up. That's what they look like. Oh, they feel so juicy. I wanna say there's 10 in here. And oh my gosh, okay, what do I use these for? Macerates. Macerates are when you take an herb, you infuse it in oil, and the oil will pick up all of the nutrients from the herb. You strain it out, and then you are able to use that oil that is infused with all of this rich goodness from your ingredients. I like using vanilla for the smell that it gives. The fragrance is so beautiful and light in an oil, but there are so many other benefits to vanilla as well. But I wanted to share one of the only ingredients I really use for macerates so far. Next up is from Artisan Aromatics. I had never ordered from this brand ever before, but I am also interested in fragrance and perfumery, and this particular website is all about that, all about essential oil blends, fragrance blends. What did I get? Ooh, they packaged this actually really nice and sturdy. Vanilla Absolute is one of the most expensive oils. I want to say it's like $300 for like an ounce or less. It's called Vanilla Absolute. It's 15 milliliters, you guys. I'm almost scared to open it and break the seal, but Vanilla Absolute, it's the best of vanillas, and you only need a small amount to use in your formulations. And so 15 milliliters should last me for a while. You can't really get this from a ton of places, so I wanted to offer this up as an option for you guys. But I like how it comes in a little box. Like, this is super cute. I also got some Perfumers alcohol. They have two different options on their website, but I got plain. Ooh, I like how they put the electrical tape around it, but this is what it looks like. And this is the 190 proof ethyl alcohol organic. And this is the kind of alcohol that you would use to make perfumes, to make fragrances. And they also gave me a sample. This is so sweet. This is called Citrus Labdanum. I can smell it through the bottle. It's sweet, citrus, but also a little florally. I don't know. I never smelled anything like this in my life. It's giving incense, but like the good kind. Wow, that's a beautiful scent. Apple cider vinegar extract. I got this so that I can start working with either shampoos or scalp serums, something that I know my particular scalp will probably benefit from. I like using apple cider vinegar to ingest as well as use on my scalp. I have a scalp condition called seborrheic dermatitis, and it really helps to loosen up the dirt and grime and flakiness and all the stuff from my scalp. And so I want to see what the extract is all about. Turmeric extract I want to try because I want to try my hand at soap making, and I think that this would be a very great ingredient to give a shot. I'm also thinking about facial products as well, and turmeric has a really good track record of evening your skin tone out. Polysugar Quat L1010P. This is really good for conditioning the hair, detanglers. It's softening. You can put it in conditioners. You can put it in body washes. You can put it in detanglers. That's what I got this for. I'm gonna be experimenting with it. And I thought maybe, hey, give it a shot. Especially if you have type 4 hair, you can use all of the conditioning ingredients possible. So I'll be experimenting with this. Super Gel CF is an emulsifier. I'm going to be kind of playing around with this. I think I was thinking about using this for a lip product. A cold process emulsifier for oil and water emulsions. Perfect for clear gel and milk cleansers. So I'm going to be testing this out. Aloe vera extract for obvious reasons. I love aloe vera. It's an amazing detangler, hydrator. It has a lot of slip to it. I've never worked with an extract before. I've only worked with actual gel and, you know, packaged gel. So an extract, yeah, it sounds like it's a lot more liquidy than what I'm used to working with, but it could also have a lot of the same benefits. So I'm gonna give this a try. Optifin is a preservative for oil-based formulation. So body butters, body oils, it's an actual preservative for things that don't have water in it. Technically, you don't need a preservative, but if you're ever thinking about giving this away to friends or even selling, the extra protection might be nice. Also, if you're formulating sugar scrubs, things that are gonna have water introduced to it, because obviously people's hands are wet and they're digging inside sugar scrubs, this is really good for that. So, Optifin. I also got Super Gel AOF. It's very similar to the other gel. I think I am going to be testing this out for lip products. So both of these, and we'll see which one I like or if I like them at all. Pomegranate seed oil. This is an oil. You guys know what pomegranates are. It's a fruit. It's a super fruit. It's an amazing fruit for the body. My husband and I, we love pomegranates. So I literally just wanted to try it and see if I could put it into maybe like a facial product or a lip product. So I'm just gonna give this a test. Slippery elm bark extract. I have been wanting to get my hands on this for a very long time, and I plan on using it in a hair product because slippery elm is super slippery. People use it all over YouTube. You'll see like videos of people making detanglers and whatnot with it. So I figure, why not give it a shot? Organic beetroot powder. I'm excited about you. This is what it looks like. It is literally a powder. I'm using this as a colorant. As you guys know, I'm formulating some lip products right now, so I want to see if maybe I could like make something that has a little color that's still organic. So that's what I want to use it for, but of course beetroot powder has a lot of other benefits as well. But I heard it's a really great colorant, so I want to give it a try. Stearic acid. This is used as a thickener, but many people use it in anhydrous formulations like body butters so that they don't melt. They're a little bit more stable in the summertime, so that's why I got this. Stearic acid. Yuxil PE 9010, hope I said that right. This is another preservative for anhydrous formulations, butters, oils, and I'm just kind of comparing the Optifin and the Yuxil PE to see which one I like better. Biolatum is castor seed oil, hydrogenated castor seed oil, and carnauba wax. It is basically an alternative to lanolin that I wanted to give a try out, and lanolin is a wonderful ingredient. It is animal based, so I wanted to see if I could try something out that isn't and see which one I like better. Natural vitamin E, and this is a mixed tocopherol, so it has a bunch of different vitamin E's in it, and vitamin E is really good to slow down the rancidity of anhydrous formulations or ingredients. So say you created a hair oil or body oil, it doesn't have water, so it doesn't need a preservative, but you might want to like slow down the time that the oil can go bad, so that's what vitamin E is really good for. I got some hyaluronic acid, different molecular weights, and this is, I mean, it's great for pretty much everything, facial products, body products. It's really good at retaining moisture. Hyaluronic acid holds on to like 10 times or something its amount of weight in water. It's just a great ingredient, so I wanted to give it a try. And then I accidentally bought another pomegranate seed oil. This is why inventory is so important, but thankfully I only bought them in really small quantities. I mean, honestly, I'm probably gonna like it, so I'm not even that mad. And if anything, I'll just make something for my husband because he's obsessed with pomegranates, so I am too, but he's the one who really introduced me to pomegranates. We eat them we eat them weekly, all the time, almost every night when they're in season. So this should be fun. Yay! So So if you stuck around to the end, make sure that you subscribe. I will be weaving formulation into my content. I do lots of fashion and beauty, lifestyle, like vlogs, traveling and things like that. But I am recently an organic skincare formulator, and I am also working on hair care formulation as well. So y'all are just gonna be following me along on this journey, and hopefully I get to a point where I can like share more and more, and maybe even like some simple recipes and things like that. So I'm very excited to see where this goes. Subscribe if you haven't. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas, and I will talk to you in another video. Bye! Mwah.